Live and learn is a timeless proverb that encapsulates the idea of gaining knowledge, wisdom, and experience through the course of life. It emphasizes the notion that life itself is a continuous journey of learning and growth, where each experience, whether positive or challenging, contributes to personal development and understanding. The phrase reflects the inherent human capacity for adaptation and resilience in the face of life's complexities and uncertainties. It suggests that no matter one's age or station in life, there are always opportunities to acquire new insights and lessons. Live and learn encourages individuals to embrace a growth mindset, acknowledging that mistakes, failures, and setbacks are natural aspects of life. Instead of dwelling on past missteps, the proverb urges us to view these experiences as valuable opportunities for self-improvement and learning. The phrase also highlights the importance of an open-minded and curious approach to life. By remaining receptive to new ideas and perspectives, individuals can continually expand their knowledge and broaden their understanding of the world and its diverse inhabitants. Moreover, Live and Learn recognizes that life's lessons often extend beyond formal education. While academic learning is essential, practical experiences, relationships, and self-reflection can provide unique insights and wisdom that cannot be solely acquired from textbooks. Throughout history, various cultures and societies have embraced similar concepts to express the idea of continuous learning through life's journey. In Latin, the phrase vivere est dicere translates to live is to learn, capturing the same sentiment. The proverb serves as a reminder that no one is infallible and every individual encounters challenges and moments of growth. It encourages humility and self-compassion, as we are all on a path of self-discovery and self-improvement. The phrase live and learn also speaks to the resilience and adaptability of the human spirit. Life is unpredictable and filled with both joys and hardships, and by embracing this reality, we can cultivate greater inner strength and maturity. In essence, live and learn encompasses the idea that life itself is an ongoing classroom, and each day brings opportunities for personal growth and development. It emphasizes the importance of staying open to new experiences, embracing challenges, and continuously seeking knowledge and understanding. By approaching life with a mindset of learning, individuals can cultivate wisdom, resilience, and a deeper appreciation for the richness of the human experience. In conclusion, Live and Learn is a profound proverb that encapsulates the essence of continuous learning and personal growth throughout life's journey. The phrase encourages individuals to embrace each experience as an opportunity for gaining knowledge and wisdom. It promotes a growth mindset, humility, and adaptability, allowing individuals to navigate life's challenges and uncertainties with resilience and an open heart. By recognizing that life itself is a perpetual classroom, the idiom inspires us to remain curious, receptive, and compassionate, fostering a lifelong pursuit of knowledge and self-improvement. Live and Learn serves as a timeless reminder that every moment presents a chance to learn and grow, transforming life's experiences into valuable stepping stones on the path to understanding and fulfillment.